A CV or resume is a document summarizing your qualifications, education background, and work experience. Most importantly, it forms the first impression of your writing to potential employers. Here are the typical sections in a CV: contact information, education, work experience or internships, language proficiency, and other skills. It is important to know which sections should be prioritized. Prioritize the details most relevant to the job you're applying for. Employers normally skim and scan CVs in a short period of time, so present all the information in 1 to 2 pages. Most importantly, keep everything concise. Let's take a look at the samples. The style depends on what kind of company you're applying to. Also, a photo is optional. Want to know more? Join our ELSS workshop. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the ELSS website for more resources.